There's never been a child security breach in Monstropolis. Can you imagine what would happen if a human child ever did enter our city? So let's give a big yay for the CDA. They keep Monstropolis human toxin free. The praise, the yo, the CDA. So, for a scary Monstropolis offers something for everyone. Our city may be monstrously large, but our local business owners take pride in providing you with small-town flippants and small-town service. If there's anything we can do while you're here, be sure to give us a holler. Monstropolis Transportation Terminal, the hub of transportation to the greater Monstropolis area.
Atención visitantes, para su propia seguridad, durante el paseo por Monstropolis, mantengan las manos.
Hello. If you are new to the area, the Monstropolis Chamber of Commerce would like to welcome you. While you're in town, be sure to...
We interrupt this program for a special report. A child is on the loose in Monstropolis. A human child!
If witnesses are to be believed, there has been a child security breach for the first time in monster history.
We can neither confirm nor deny the presence of a human child here tonight. I tried to run from it, but it picked me up with its mind powers and shook me like a dog.
It's true! I saw the whole thing!
Happy birthday, Smokesy Poo!
Oh, googly bear!
When this human child froze me with its telepathic control, it made me dance like a chicken. My thoughts were not my own. Then it grabbed me with a giant hook.
Oh, we gotta get you home.
There's a kid here! A human kid! Monster in the sky,
And on my birthday, why can't you care about me?
Come on, this way.
Situation is 990. Security area. Spread out and lock it down.
Nice! Yeah! Nothing exciting ever happens!
Hurry up, Sulley, hurry up! I've got both doors set up on the scare floor.
Done yet, Pooh?
Race you to the scare floor. Never find her door now.
Oh, there's your door.
We're almost there, kiddo.
Not so fast, Sullivan. They'll never get her home now.
There you go. Oh, no. Slam it. It's been the most terrifying day of my life. Up and get over.
Kitty's gotta go now. Sleep tight.
Situation status 2, 990. We can neither confirm nor deny child here tonight. We responded to a 23 in progress and reported to the scene.
What are you looking at? Don't make me come in there. I'm watching you. Always watching. Move it along, people. That's right, nothing to see here.